Welcome back to Dinalicious 101. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make delicious fried chicken. Keep watching. The ingredients that we're going to be using today, I'm going to be using 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of adobo, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 3 tablespoons of dried cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 4.5 cups of flour, and I'm going to be making about 8 or so pieces of chicken thighs. So keep watching. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put all of our ingredients onto the flour. Remember, it's 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of dried cilantro, actually 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of adobo, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now what we want to do with this is we're going to mix it. Oh, I forgot one thing. I'm going to put 2 little sazon Goya packets in there. There we go. You want to make sure you season your flour well, because this is going to be the flavoring in your chicken, so you don't have some bland chicken. Look at how nice that flour is looking. So now that we prepped our flour, I'm going to mix these eggs. And this is going to be where I dip my chicken in. Alright, now that it's mixed, we're going to start with a piece of chicken. And the first thing you want to do is you're going to dip it into the egg. Okay, so once you finish dipping it into the egg, you're going to dip it onto the flour. Now, you are going to get messy with this, fair warning. And dip it onto the flour like that. Take it out. And then this is a trick to get really crunchy chicken. We're going to dip it again into the egg with the flour. And then we're going to dip it again. And then once it's nicely coated, I'm going to put it in a tray right now so that I can start frying it as soon as I'm done. And we're going to repeat. Dip in the egg. Dip in the flour. We're going to dip in the egg one more time. And dip in the flour again. So I'm going to do one more so you guys can get used to what you got to do. Remember, you dip in the egg first. Dip in the flour. Make sure it's fully coated. Dip in the egg one more time. And you're going to dip in the flour. So once your pieces are nicely coated, we are gonna start to fry. Keep watching. Now we're gonna get started on frying our chicken. We're gonna put a couple of cups of oil. And you want to put enough oil in there so that when it starts frying, it doesn't jump all over the place. And I'm going to lower my heat a little bit to medium heat so that they can cook for a while. Put 3 of these in here. Now we're gonna let them cook for a bit. I want to say for 25 to 30 minutes because I have it on medium heat until they're done, and I'll be checking on them on and off to flip them over, and I'll be back. And our chicken is finally done. So I did cook these for about 45 minutes just because I had a lot of pieces. So what you want to do is, in a plate with napkins as usual, take out your fried item and put it in there. In this case, it's our chicken. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Look at that. So I'm gonna get ready to serve this. I'll be right back. And this is my final product. I made some chicken, some corn, some rice, and some limes on the side. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, as usual, to comment, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We are trying to post 1 video a week. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been giving me. See you next time. Bye.